Hey everybody! I'm here today to talk to you about 7 things that I love about my Dymo Letratag 100H label maker. That's right. This label maker is absolutely awesome. There are so many things that I love about it. I just got it rather recently and I love using it. I've been labeling everything in my house nonstop, organizing to the max. But these are the top 7 things that I love about the label maker. There was a person just walking right there. They were walking around in front of the vehicle before, and I was doing a previous video and I was like screaming at the camera. You know how I film, that's how I do it. But I think they got a little bit like, whoa, what's this guy doing? So they walked all the way the other way. They probably think I'm crazy, but I'm just making content, bro. Let's get into this. These are the 7 things that I'm referring to. Number 1, this label maker. Sorry about that tangent, but I figured that since they were walking by the camera frame over there, I figured I'd tell you about it because this happens all the time. I film in the car, pulled over on side streets, and it's absolutely hilarious. If you notice this school bus in the background, I'm not filming close to school, just so you know. I'm literally filming close to an auto body repair shop, and they repair lots of vehicles, but they repair lots of school buses. So just so you know, they maintain and repair them. Anyways, back to business. These are the 7 things after that long intro. Number 1, it is compact to the max. I'm gonna get through this quickly. It is so compact. Look at the size of this compared to my hand. It has all of the letters, all of the buttons that you need, and it is super small. You can throw it in a backpack, throw it in a bag that you bring around with you, leave it in a drawer, just carry it around with you wherever you're organizing. Super compact. Number 2, you don't need to charge the battery. It comes with these replaceable batteries. It didn't come with these batteries, but it comes with a battery compartment that you sort of put replaceable batteries in there. So when the batteries die, you replace them. You don't have to worry about the batteries running out and you having to charge it. You could just put the batteries in there and just sort of use it whenever you need to. So you don't have to worry about it being charged. Because a label maker is not likely something that you're going to use every day. It's likely something that you're going to use in spurts. So you're going to use it like, you know, for an hour for this day, and then maybe a month later you can use it for another hour to label stuff. So essentially, it's good to have replaceable batteries because then you don't have to worry about it being charged. You can just pick it up and use it as long as the batteries in there are good. Number 3, it's extremely easy to learn. I'll try that again. Number 3, it is extremely easy to learn how to use it in its basic format. So if you want to use it to turn it on, type something out and print it, you turn it on, you literally type out whatever you want to type out and you hit print. And as long as the cassette is in there properly, which it is, as you can see, it'll print it out. So really easy to use in its basic format. Okay, I'm gonna turn it off. But number 4 is that it is also jam-packed with advanced features if you want to take advantage of those. So this format button right here will allow you to change the font size, the font style, add borders, and so forth. You also have an uppercase and lowercase button over here. You have some save and load features. It's packed with advanced features if you want to use those and take advantage of those. You have the ability to use them. So you can use them you can use the label maker in its most basic format or in an advanced format. It's kind of up to you. Number 5, I think I'm staying on track here. I'm going to do my best. I'll go over them as a recap at the end. Number 5, it can print in seconds. So there's some label makers that take a long time to print. If you're just labeling things and you're trying to move quickly, this prints really quickly. So when you type in your letters and you hit print, it literally takes just a couple of seconds to print out like a pretty long label, okay? So just so you know, it can print in seconds, it prints really quickly. Number 6, you can add borders. Like I said, with the format button, you can add borders, and there are so many different types. There's like a heart kind. There's one that looks like an alligator or a crocodile. I truly don't know the difference to this day. Maybe you do, but I don't. You know, there's another one that looks like a train set if you're like labeling kids' toy bins and stuff like that. Really cool. There's lots of borders to choose from. And number 7 is you can change font sizes and font style. So you can change the font sizes from like small to extra large. There are, I think, 5 different font sizes, I believe. And then there are, I think, 7 different font styles. You can do regular, bold, italic, outlined, and all of these different font styles. Really cool. So those are the 7 things, and I'm going to recap them quickly, okay? I'm going to put the label maker down. Number 1, it is compact to the maximum. It is so compact. Number 2, you don't need to charge the battery. You could just replace the batteries with new ones. Number 3, it is extremely try that one once again. Number 3, it is extremely easy to learn how to use it in its basic format. Number 4, it is also packed with advanced functions and features that you can use if you want to take advantage of those. Number 5, it can print in seconds. It prints really quickly, even super long labels. Number Number 6, you can add borders to the text that you're printing out as a label. And number 7, you can change the font size and font style to suit your own specific needs and desires for the label that you're making. And that's it. Those are the 7 things that I love about this. If you like this video, please be sure to give it a thumbs up. Let me know what you think down below as a comment. And of course, be sure to subscribe for more great videos just like this one. And that's all I have for you today. Thanks for watching.